Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay with Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. First, you want to go into Settings, go to Connections, and check if NFC and contactless payments is enabled. If it's not, simply enable it. You can also go here, and you should see... I don't think it's enabled here by default. Yeah, it is not, but you can also add this option here. If you go to Pencil, go to Edit, and you should find NFC button right here. So you can click Done, and as you can see, we can simply enable or disable it through this option here. So, going back, after it is enabled, we simply have to click it, and here we can choose the default wallet app. You can choose Samsung Wallet or any other if you have any other. For purpose of this video, I'll be using Google Wallet. And after it's set up, we can simply go and find our Google Wallet. As you can see, we can now press View Wallet. And now we can add payment card. And if for some reason you don't, never mind. If for some reason you don't have this button, you can simply go to here, add wallet, and you want to add payment card. And now, if you have your card here, you can simply make a photo of it. Or if for some reason you can do that, you can just click and enter it manually. And after you enter, and after you click Save and Continue, but I can do that since I would have to input manually everything, then you will be able to simply use contactless payments on your Samsung S25 Plus. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.